everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of interior design to explore the differences between contemporary rugs and modern rugs. We'll help you understand the unique features of each style so you can pick the perfect rug to complement your space. Whether you're looking to refresh your living room, bedroom, or any other area in your home, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Introduction to contemporary rugs. First, let's talk about contemporary rugs. Contemporary design is all about current trends and styles, so contemporary rugs often feature bold colors, abstract patterns, and innovative textures. These rugs can be a fantastic way to add a touch of personality and vibrancy to your space. Advantages of contemporary rugs. One of the key advantages of contemporary rugs is their versatility. They can easily complement a variety of decor styles, from eclectic to minimalist, adding a touch of creativity and personality to your space. Introduction to modern rugs. Now, let's move on to modern rugs. Modern design, especially mid-century modern, is characterized by clean lines, geometric shapes, and a more subdued color palette. These rugs often have a sleek and sophisticated look, making them ideal for creating a polished and timeless aesthetic. Advantages of modern rugs. Modern rugs are perfect for those who appreciate simplicity and elegance. They work well in spaces that prioritize functionality and form, creating a cohesive and harmonious look. Comparing the two styles. Here are a few key points to consider when choosing between the two. Design and patterns. Contemporary rugs often feature more experimental and bold patterns, while modern rugs stick to geometric and clean designs. Color palette. Contemporary rugs can have a wide range of colors, including vibrant and contrasting hues. Modern rugs usually have a more restrained color scheme, with neutrals and earth tones being popular choices. Choosing the right rug for your space. When choosing the right rug for your space, think about the overall design aesthetic you want to achieve. If you love bold and dynamic designs, a contemporary rug might be the perfect choice. On the other hand, if you prefer a more timeless and cohesive look, a modern rug could be the way to go. And there you have it, contemporary rugs vs. modern rugs. We hope this comparison has helped you understand the differences and choose the perfect rug for your home. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration.